Are you looking for professional repairers to fix your photocopiers, printers, fax machines, laminating machines, and shredders of all kinds? Halle Joe Services is your solution.
Halle Joe Services effectively repairs the following machines: photocopiers, printers, laminating machines, and shredders of all kinds. We have skilled professionals who can handle various faults of your machine.
Our team offers professional and effective service delivery to the satisfaction of our clients. We take critical care in using the required and original materials when delivering our services. Our dedicated and professional team always make sure to deliver their work in an effective and professional manner. We offer very flexible terms of payment for our customers. Since we are a certified business, you can be assured of maximum safety approved standards. Contact us now. Call us on 024-473-3087 or 057-280-5012.